Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Yes Teacher, and in today's tutorial we will see how you can implement Google sign-in in ASP.NET Core 8.0. So the first thing that we will see is we will see the project version that we are using. So this is a .NET Core application, and here you can see the .NET framework is 8.0. So now we will see how you can modify your code to get the Google sign-in details, and then you can use that for login. So the first thing is on the view side here, and here we are using a URL. So you can see that we have to modify few things here. So the first thing is that you have to modify is the client ID. Okay, so this one is the client ID that you have to change with your client ID. And then the second one is the redirect URI. Now this must be the URI which you register while getting the keys from Google. Okay, so these two things you have to customize as per your project. And then we will go on the controller part, and here we have this method. Now this will be called when you will click on that button, and it will go to the Google sign in, and there you will select the Google account. Then it will be returned back to this method here with the code, and from that authorization code we will be getting the user details. Okay, so here also we have these two details that you have to change, like first the client ID and the other one is the client secret. And guys, now don't you worry about the code part, because we will provide you the code link, and we will also show how you can download the same code. So don't you worry about that part. So we will just run the application now to see how that works. So if you face any kind of issue, then you can comment on the video and we will try to answer your questions. So here is the Google sign login button, and when we click on this, it will go to the Google sign in URL, and then we can select the Google account, and we will click on continue, and then it will return back to the method that we created. Okay, and here you can see that we have got the code. Okay, and then if you go down, then we will be getting the user details also. So here you will call the user info API, and then we will get the response. So in the content part you can see that we have the details of the user that we logged in from. Okay guys, so this is how you can get the user details, and you can now use this to log in into your application. So this is how you can do this. And now again, coming back to the code part, now for getting the code you can go to our official website, and you can also subscribe our official channel Code2night, and there you will see lots of tutorials. So code2night.com is the website where you will find the code related to the Google sign-in. So we will give you a direct link for this. So here you can see how to integrate Google sign-in in ASP.NET Core 8.0. So you have to click on that, and here guys, you will see that we have showed all the steps for creating the keys also, and for registering the redirect URI, and then we have the code which we just seen in the video. So this is everything you can get here, and if this works for you, then you can help us using buy me a pizza button here. So that will be helpful if you do. Okay, and you can download the code from here using any of these buttons. So this is how you can implement Google sign-in ASP.NET Core 8.0 guys. So thank you, and let me know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.